Hey everybody, welcome back. So in this video, we are going to see about dictionaries in Python programming language, which is one of the data types, data structures in Python. Python dictionaries are a great way to store data, and it is as common as using lists. The dictionary is used to map keys with values, creating a mapping of items. We can also create the dictionary with a bracket like this one. So we just use the curly brackets and to create the empty dictionaries. There's also villain. Okay. We can also map a key to a value like this one. We have a key and we have a value. Okay, key and value. And the value can be other data type, like Boolean data type. Let's say key and its value is true. The Python also accept the Boolean data type as a value. But the key has to be unique. There can be duplicates. For example, like name or hey, name or hey. The value can be other dictionaries or lists, like this one. For example, items could be mango, banana, and orange. But we can have a list of dictionary as a key. It will not accept it. How about we run it like this one? So when we run this, we have the type error. That means we can have a list of dictionary as a key just like here. Okay, so that's for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and see you next time. So bye bye.